हम बात कर रहे हैं माहा से अबाउट अ न्यू सॉन्ग विच इज़ कॉल्ड समडे, जो कि उन्होंने बहुत टाइम पहले लिखा था, बट इसके अंदर इतने डीप इमोशंस हैं एंड यू कैन ऑलमोस्ट फील इट व्हेन शी सिंग्स इट, राइट? एंड इसी नोट पे माहा, सो इफ यू लुक एट योर जर्नी, यू नो you've been on the show many times as well, and this is the first time I'm hosting you as well, so you've been through a whole lot, right? Before you actually reach this exact stage. Abhi is stage pe if I ask you ki Maha, what do you have in mind? Do you think about doing OSTs? Do you think about doing acting, theatre, play, whatever? Like where do you see yourself heading?
I want to do OSTs for sure. Usually I really like writing my own songs. So I've written a song that's got a very commercial touch. So I'm trying to pitch it for OSTs. If not, then I'll release it myself. But yeah, OSTs, or you know, just generally trying new genres, working with new artists, कुछ नया बनाने की कोशिश.
All right, great. That sounds lovely. So you know, how do you basically bring yourself down to it? What I love about you is the fact कि आप अपने गाने भी खुद लिखती हो, right? And lyrics लिखना भी इतना कोई आसान काम नहीं होता. But I think if you're somebody who's been maybe a literature student or someone who's been hurt a lot in life, लिखना आ ही जाता है eventually. I feel.
मतलब कि मैंने थोड़े बहुत गाने पहले लिखे थे, बट जब मेरा पहला डेब्यू सिंगल म्यूज़िक वीडियो नज़र रिलीज़ हुआ, तो उसके बाद मुझे कोई मिल नहीं रहा था जो मेरे लिए गाना लिखे.
अच्छा.
तो फिर मैंने खुद से उर्दू के गाने लिखने शुरू किए, क्योंकि इंग्लिश तो आसान था मेरे लिए, मगर उर्दू में मैंने पहले दफ़ा फिर एक सेकंड सिंगल जाना नहीं रिलीज़ किया. अब बहुत आसान है मेरे लिए. एंड
रियली उर्दू में गाना लिखना मुश्किल क्यों था? बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव सच अ गुड कमांड ओवर उर्दू.
नो, इट्स नॉट अबाउट कमांड. इट्स जस्ट कि जब पहली दफ़ा आप कुछ कर रहे होते हैं तो थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग लगता है. जब एक दफ़ा आप शुरू कर देते हैं वो काम, तो यू नो वो एक आपको आ भी जाता है वो करना, एंड आप वो हर्डल को पार भी कर लेते
हो. वाओ, आई मीन आई वुड रियली लव टू हियर अबाउट योर प्रोसेस कि आप लिरिक्स किस तरीके से लिखती हो.
तो मैं साथ ही लिखती हूँ. मैं लिरिक्स मेलोडी को साथ लिखती हूँ. कभी मैं बाय द एयर गाना लिखती हूँ, मतलब कि गुनगुना के. कभी मैं कीबोर्ड पे कॉर्ड प्रोग्रेशन के थ्रू लिखती हूँ कि कीबोर्ड पे मैं एक की डिसाइड करती हूँ, फिर मैं डिसाइड करती हूँ कि अच्छा कॉर्ड्स ही यू नो फॉलो करेंगे कि मेलोडी किधर जाएगी.
अच्छा, हाउ इंटरेस्टिंग इज दैट. एंड व्हेन डू यू रियली डू दिस? एक क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस कब शुरू होता है?
वेरी लेट एट नाइट.
ओके.
एंड इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज लाइक यू डिसाइड कि आज मैं गाना लिखूंगी. समटाइम्स इट्स जस्ट दैट आप किसी चीज़ के थ्रू गुजर रहे होते हैं जो इमोशनली ओवरवेलमिंग होती है. सिंगिंग एंड सॉन्ग राइटिंग एक ऐसा खूबसूरत आर्ट फॉर्म है जिसमें आप अपने फीलिंग्स को एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. इट्स लाइक एन आर्ट.
बिल्कुल.
सो वंस यू गॉट इट डाउन ऑन पेपर, तो फिर वो आपकी जो सारी निकल जाती है भड़ास.
I can imagine, yeah. It's a very good form of self-expression.
Yeah, it is.
And then how is it कि you know कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you've gotten really frustrated with the creative process as well कि नहीं मज़ा नहीं आ रहा, and you scrap the whole thing and then you start again?
Yeah, a lot of times.
Are you your own worst critic?
Yeah, I am. कभी कभार मैं खुद गाना लिखती हूँ, एक दो दोस्तों को सुनाती हूँ, मुझे अच्छी फीडबैक नहीं मिलती, या मैं खुद 2-3 दिन बाद रिविजिट करके डिसाइड करती हूँ कि ये गाना मेरे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है इतना इट्स नॉट वर्दी टू बी प्रोड्यूस्ड. तो फिर मैं उसको शेल्फ कर देती हूँ और मैं एक नया गाना लिखती हूँ.
How nice is that? So you're not very hard on yourself technically. You give you hold some space for yourself.
Yeah.
जो कि हर creative बंदे के लिए ज़रूरी है. So we're going to play a fun game now.
Okay.
Right? It's called a fun activity, 5-second rule game. मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगी और आपने 5 सेकंड के अंदर उसका जवाब देना है. So the first question is, name 3 Pakistani singers who inspire you the most.
So Nazia Hassan, the late Junaid Jamshed, and Abda Parveen.
Oh wow, yeah, absolutely. Acha, 3 instruments that you could master.
3 instruments. Well, I play basic keyboard. बट मुझे पियानो मास्टर करने का बहुत शौक है. And maybe the violin, but I've never tried it. But like I have a violin just lying there at home. So maybe that, yeah.
Maybe that. All right, okay. 3 words that describe your music style.
Pop, very personal, and melodic.
Yeah, melodic. Yeah, that works. Okay, 3 songs you never get tired of singing.
3 songs. There's a Nancy Sinatra song that's called Bang Bang.
Shot me down, bang, bang.
Bang, yeah, that one. Other than that,
That is such a vibe. That is so you, actually.
Yeah,
Now when I think about it, oh my God,
yeah.
yes.
So I've grown up listening to a lot of old music.
All music.
So पुराने गाने, Imagine by John Lennon हो गया, या Crowded
That's
House
also very
का
nice song.
Don't Dream It's Over.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you've got a very nostalgic vibe to you as well.
Yeah, but I listen to a lot of new music as well. You know, it's part
So
of
name
it.
some of the new ones that you like.
There's a Messy song called Messy. There's one by Miley Cyrus called More to Lose.
Ooh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, great. So
Good
you
Luck
vibe.
Babe is another song.
Oh, nice. You like strong women vocals.
Yeah, I like women.
So I'm surprised you haven't said Adele as yet.
Adele, I don't know. I just feel like I find that she's such a huge powerhouse. I find it very challenging covering her songs. But I don't know why I haven't. I probably could. Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah.
She really is.
Yeah.
She's taken a sabbatical. I don't think she's singing anymore. She's just taken a break, I think.
Yeah, she does that, right?
She does that a lot.
takes a lot
I
of
think we all do. Which reminds me, do you ever give yourself time off and then come back with a fresh mind?
Always, yeah. I don't feel pressurized कि मुझे हर महीने गाना निकालना है या हर 3 महीने निकालना है. मैं अपने पेस पे चलती हूँ. And that's the beauty of being an independent artist कि आपके पास वो freedom है कि आपको किस तरीके कैसा गाना बनाना है और कब रिलीज करना है.
Absolutely, makes perfect sense. 3 music genres you'd experiment with.
Kashmiri folk songs because I have Kashmiri roots.
Yeah. हम बात कर रहे हैं Maha से about, you know, the things she likes, what she's all about, how her journey is progressing. So, you know, Maha, 3 things जो आप हमेशा से एक recording studio में करना चाहती हो, you know, like in terms of the kind of music you're producing and the kind of work you're doing. What are the things that you imagine yourself?
Yeah, well, मुझे सबसे मेरा अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस जो स्टूडियो में रहा है वो नज़र का रहा है क्योंकि वो पहले दफ़ा स्टूडियो में था. I traveled all the way to Lahore. फरहाद हुमायूं उस वक्त he's not anymore there anymore, but उस ज़माने में he was somebody I looked up to.
अच्छा.
तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब आप स्टूडियो में जाते हैं और आप प्रोड्यूसर के साथ बैठ के एक चीज़ डिसाइड करते हैं, the whole process of creating the music.
How lovely, absolutely. अच्छा, 3 Pakistani bands that you love and हम लोग अभी यही discuss कर रहे थे from the 90s.
Yeah.
We had a good talk about this.
Yeah, Vital Signs, Junoon, and something that isn't very commercial, but it's the Sequencers.
The Sequencers, I haven't heard of them either.
Yeah.
You know, there used to be brands by the name of The Call and RO and all of these.
No, but the Sequencers are before The Call and RO.
Really?
Yeah.
Acha, do share a link with me. I want to check it out. How come I don't know? Acha, 3 dream collaborations with international artists.
Oh wow, this is a very loaded question. I don't know how to answer this one, honestly. I've never really thought about it.
Okay, so the first person that comes to your head.
Arijit Singh, a duet, or Amit Trivedi, a song.
Wow.
Yeah, somebody, they're also like Kashmiri artists that I would want to collaborate with because I really want to put out more Kashmiri songs.
Absolutely, and so, to say that it would honor your own heritage and your own culture, and I really think you maybe cut out for it.
Yeah.
Like you've said it 3 times already, and I really think that's the next thing you're going to be doing.
Probably, maybe.
I get the feeling.
Yeah.
Right? 3 cities you want to perform in?
London, New York, maybe Paris.
Yeah, absolutely. I think you've got the best shots. Karachi. What about
Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad.
Karachi. 3 places in Karachi that you love the most.
The most, my friend Hema Raza's house, my home because I'm somebody who's like very laid back and I want to chill it and watch Netflix in my PJs.
Yeah.
And otherwise, Xander's.
Yeah? Okay, cool. Acha, 3 things on your bucket list that you want to do.
I want to travel the world.
I hear you.
Recently I was traveling throughout Europe. I went to Switzerland, Netherlands and Italy.
Wow.
But I want to travel more throughout EU.
Ooh.
Yeah, like cover everything.
Absolutely, and you most certainly should. And out of these places, which one did you enjoy the most? How's Switzerland? I've heard it's quite... I haven't been.
Switzerland is like just like Kashmir, the Indian occupied Kashmir. Oh. It's like, but more touristy.
Yeah, of course. And Sakoon zyada hoga.
Indian occupied Kashmir is more like, untouched beauty. So, you know, you can actually sit by the river, you can go to the hills, you know, like the ski resort areas and stuff, and sit there on the fields. Switzerland is very like activities, you have to book a train trip or something like that.
How lovely, how lovely. अच्छा, 3 challenges जो आपको लगता है female artists को पाकिस्तान में face करने पड़ते हैं?
I think the biggest challenge है कि ज़्यादातर singers female होती हैं और producers male होते हैं. जैसे मैंने बताया था कि अभी recently मैंने जो गाना produce किया था with Sara Sarhandi, तो she was the producer.
Yeah.
So working with more female artists would be amazing कि whether it's playing an instrument or producing a song. Yeah, otherwise I feel like it's a very male-dominated industry globally even, I feel.
So, I think women have really picked up their game, right? Like
they have, but mostly as singers, right? Yeah, mostly as singers.
So we have a request for you.
Yeah.
And the song Sahibo.
Yeah, of course.
It's one of, you know, your most liked songs.
Yeah, I think on this show I've always like been asked to sing it for some reason.
Yes, we had a special request for you. So we're like, why not?
Sure, yeah.
साहिबो बहा जाने माए एमताप कराए जाए करनस हो साहिबो क्या कर सरसब यथलोल नाए जाए करनस हो साहिबो साहिबो बहजानी माए जाए करनस हो एक बादल को मिला है गिरने को ये गुलसितां एक चंदा छुप रहा है मिल रहे हैं 2 जहां जन्नतों की दिख रही परछाइयाँ हाँ बर्फ सी तेरी गोद में खिल रही है जिंदगी बुझ रही है जैसे ये तूफान हो.
Beautiful. How beautiful. You can almost sense the feeling that comes from deep within you. Huh?
Yeah, because you know now I can't visit Kashmir like I could before.
Yeah, so you miss it.
Yeah, I miss it a lot. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. I can tell, absolutely. Thank you so much for coming to the show, Maha.
Thank you for having me.
It was an absolute pleasure to hear you sing and talk about your journey. So amazing. Thank you.
Lovely.
For being here. And I wish you all the best. And I'm really hoping that I will hear a song about Kashmir soon.
Yeah, there is one in the making, but I don't know when I'll release it. But there's another really good song that I'm working on right now. So definitely I'll be...
Hype us up. Tell us what it's about.
It's about how society lets you down when you're going through something or when you talk about a social issue.
So many people can relate to it.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So many people will be able to relate
so
to
it's a very like deep song on society's insight, or when you go through something, some sort of a turmoil, how, you know, the society is not aware, it's ignorant to your pain and how you go through things, you know.
Absolutely. Yeah. And I wish you all the best with that.
Thank you.